sila, sir, right? So, white lion is not albino. They are leucistic animals. It means they have a partial loss of pigmentation resulting in pale or nearly white. Their diet is chicken, fat, children eat lion every day. Yes, ma'am. The second largest big cats species globally, so they can run up to 81 kilometers per hour. Lions were everyone up to 8 kilometers away. So the king of the jungle na sila due to their strength and ability to dominate vast
Sit down na. Happy turn na ka. Okay.
For their lifespan, 12 to 15 years old.
Mama na sila yun. Happy lion! Happy lion!
Ang income nila po, 20 to 25 years na. So for now, 8 years old pa lang na sila, but that's their average size as adult. And their name is Ben and Ken. So,
Hi,
Ben and
Ben.
Ben. Walang female or lioness to avoid aggressive fight among lions
8 years
po.
old pa naman
So,
siya.
they're and siblings din sila, sir.
Ayun.
And they're nocturnal